SlimFast versus Boost. We're going to pit them against each other. Hey folks, it's the Blind Guy here, doing something a little bit different. I'm going to have a playlist where I just pit two things up against each other and tell you which one I prefer. You're going to see some movie ones coming up too. And in this one we are looking at which one of these meal replacement drinks do I prefer. We have SlimFast, I think this is strawberries and cream, and Boost, the milk chocolate one. So this really for you is going to depend on what you're looking for in your meal replacement. If you're looking for taste, this one beats this one by far. It's not even close. But just some specs here. The SlimFast only has 1 gram of sugar, which is probably why the Boost tastes so much better. It has 20 grams of protein, which is pretty good. And this is 11 ounces, and one serving is 1 bottle of this. It's got quite a bit of nutrients in it, so it's got some vitamins and things like that. The Boost has 20 grams, so this says 20 grams of protein. The Boost has 10 grams of protein in 8 ounces. Has 15 grams of sugar, so it's got quite a bit more sugar in here. And it also has vitamins and things. For me, the separator between these two, well, and calorie-wise, I guess, the Boost has 240 calories in 8 ounces. The SlimFast has 180 calories in 11 ounces. So there is a benefit to the the SlimFast is you are going to get fewer calories for more fluid. And I do see that when I use them. It seems that if I drink the SlimFast, I don't get hungry as soon as if I drink the Boost. But they both hold me over fairly well. For me, I prefer the Boost just based on flavor. The SlimFast has a bit of a chalky taste to it. I don't know if that's because of the protein or just the low amount of sugar it has, but it has a very chalky flavor to it. Where the Boost, I mean, I could drink like 20 of these in a day. These taste really good. And they're really smooth as well. I have a strawberry one too that tastes also excellent. So it really just depends on what you're looking for. I don't know if you're on the keto diet, if this would be low enough in carbs, but 1 gram of sugar is not very much. So that's really up to you. But if you're just looking for something that tastes good and could replace a meal, I recommend the Boost. I think that is excellent. They're similar in price. They're under $2 each. So if you're replacing meals with that, that's pretty good. So those are my thoughts. That's what I'm using on my diet. It's been going well, so I'm down 6 pounds. But I've been using both, but I'm going to be transitioning over to the Boost from now on after I've finished the last of the SlimFast. So that's my thoughts. That is SlimFast versus Boost. I will see you on the next versus video. Laters on the Menjay.
Laters on the Menjay.